second heat race in a row, by the way, in which the winner was determined in the very final corner. Trevor Years gets around Dan Cron to get the win. Wow. That's a shout out to Leon Andrews. Wow. By the way, I love that Bobcat. I want to get me one of these. Hey, one of these for Super Dirt Week. Willing to trade almost anything for sponsorship. Hit me up, guys. So I need to be able to get around. Trevor Years. Let me give you guys a second to see if you know the phrase that pays with Trevor Years. I'll ask him at the end. But I know what it is. Oh, see, he's got one of these little doors on there. With Trevor Years with the last corner pass. Yeah, I got to see the beard, man. I want to see the beard. There it is. There's some hair for you, for all you guys out there who have trouble growing hair. Woo! Trevor Years does not. Man, that was fun, wasn't it? Last corner, fighting right to the end, huh?
I just sat there and I read Dan. I saw where he was kind of slipping up, and I moved to the top down here in 3 and 4, and kind of just chased him through there because he was pulling away from me, and I could keep even pace. And he was getting real loose up in 1 and 2 on the top, and that's where I was accelerating. So kind of just made a Hail Mary for that last lap. I didn't know if it was going to stick or not, but I sure hoped it would, and it paid off.
Well, how's this little door work on here? Show me that.
Oh, that's a Batman door. She pops right open.
Oh, okay, very nice. So it's also for aerodynamics, right?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, not because you're big, it's aerodynamics.
We keep the air as straight as it can across the sides of the car. I don't know, I've seen a difference in this new car compared to my old Mac, so it's really, when you go into the corner, it really sets down on the left rear. It really has the drive, and I think it's just all the airflows working together on this thing. I can't be happier with it.
All right, you know what? I'm going to shoot on the back when you leave. So what does it say again?
Fear the beard.
Fear the beard. Yeah, there it is right there. Thanks, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, and I want this Bobcat, man. I want to drive this thing around. Get to the point where I get good at it.